Hi friends, today we will file Form 8 LLP Statement of Account and Solvency. The due date for this form is 30th October, right? 30th October of each year. LLPs are required to file Form 8 annually. The filing deadline is within 30 days from the end of 6 months from the end of the financial year, typically falling on 30th October of each year. Right friends, now we will go to website of MCA and fill this form. I have already logged in into my MCA portal, my application, my services, LLP e-filing, right? LLP e-filing, then Form 8 statement of account and solvency. This the form opens. Before we proceed, please I request all the viewers who are watching, please do subscribe to my channel so that I get the boost to upload more videos, and also like the video so that YouTube shows it to more persons. Okay, now moving back, this is the format, LLP format as we are seeing, then statement of account and solvency. In case you have to file the charge, you have to put this dot mark in the charge. This is a common form for statement of account and solvency and for charge. I have already uploaded one video regarding charge filing. Now we are going for this LLP. I'll take some random LLP so that we can see this form. Then second point, statement of account and solvency as at. This is 31st March, of course. This is the year ending date, 31st March 2024. I'll give. Now this number, random number, okay, let me open one. Right friends, MCA services, LLP e-filing, then Form 8. Before we start filling this form, you should keep the balance sheet of the company and master data of the LLP in hand so that it is easy to fill up the form. We will have all the details with you 31st March, right? Now I have downloaded one random LLP this. We take this LLPIN from here and move straight over here, right? The name and address gets filled, then these check marks. Contribution, as soon as you go over there, see this first check mark is regarding the assets and liabilities. So whether this asset and liabilities is this contribution, see this we go back over here, the contribution, we have to give a check mark over there whether the contribution, see this point E, we declare that the obligation does not exceed or exceeds 25 lakh. So here the contribution of this LLP is 50,000, right? Now we go back over there and we put all the check marks. Turnover, whether it exceeds 40 lakhs or not, I'll put does not exceed. If we put the point exceed, if in a LLP, if the turnover is more than 40 lakh rupees, then additionally the auditor of the company has to digitally sign the form. That is the only difference, right? Otherwise a person who is uploading the form can sign the form. It is not necessary the auditor of the company of the LLP files this form. I'm just putting 00 so that this you just have to understand it. You have to put the actual figures of the balance sheet from here. Even the last year figures are coming, and you can correct the figures of last year also. Now you see, you put the figures of balance sheet over here and other liabilities. First we have to write something over here, anything, even any single letter, then only this checkbox opens. Otherwise you cannot put any figure over there. Then provisions, all the figures from the balance sheet. Now this total, you check the total liabilities from your balance sheet over here. Then assets, okay, I'm just putting random numbers over here, what random? Only 0 0. Now here, see this, you cannot put anything here unless you put something over here, right? Now the total of the liabilities should match the total assets. No? Okay. It is not putting the message, but it will come. Now the P&L starts on 1st April 2023, right? I put over here gross turnover, let's put it 200. Okay, 0. Now this is 0. Here also I'll put 200, because these two figures should match. As soon as I put this figure over here, this is gross turnover, then domestic turnover, and then the export turnover. The total of this export turnover and this should tally over here. These are very obvious things. I am telling the checkpoints. Provision 0. See, completed. This profit after tax, you check all the figures from the P&L and profit transferred to reserves and surplus, right? If I put some expenses over here, this will become 0, all 0. Then next, right? See, this check mark was left, so it prompted me again back over there. Unless all the columns are filled properly, please enter valid values. This total, see, total is mismatch. I have to put 50 as the balance sheet figure was mismatch. Now the total of asset side and liability side matches. Now then only this will proceed to next page. Simple. You attach the balance sheet over here. I am attaching some random thing. I will cancel this form afterwards. Right now, the number of both the partners. I have this master data, so it is easy for me. This is a random LLP, and the form I will cancel after that. No worries. This I have used it only for educational purpose. Okay, and had, see, the signature of IRP, no, nothing doing. Then designated partner, the number, I again put, the name of the partner comes. If the turnover was more than 40 lakhs, then here we cannot put designated partner over here, only the auditor will be allowed. See, I'll show you. If I put auditor, it will give this. Please select the designated partner or authorized representative in case where turnover does not exceed 40 lakhs. See, this is compulsory. Okay. Next, and the whole forms, we have to check this form, the entire form from the balance sheet and the P&L, and submit. If there any error is there, it will show. See, it's taking some time. There's some issue with this site, but I hope you have completely understood, and here the message will come that the form has fallen. Now when we we'll go to the workspace.